Okay, on the bench today, Adcom GFA 555. So the owner, the amp was on, the owner was messing around, did something I'm really not super clear what exactly happened. Owner was messing around with it, and left channel dropped. So I'm going to power it on. I already see an issue that I'm going to get to, but I want to show you what it's doing, and when I picked it up, what I noticed. And this is hopefully going to be just a real quick video, and someone's going to blow me up because it's going to be a simple repair. Hope, fingers crossed. But so turn it on, dim bulb flashes, it dies down, so that's good. So take my multimeter, let's see what we have going on the outputs. Right channel and left channel is the channel that's bad. So I'm getting 0 volts on the right channel. I'm getting 157 millivolts on the left channel. So I have DC voltage on the left channel. Doing a visual inspection on the inside of this. It has 4 fuses, and this fuse here is blown. So the question is, oh, and what I did when I was triaging this is I did test resistance of the emitters, and they're all good. So all of the emitter resistors are good. So at least we don't have a blown emitter. So this fuse here is bad. So it's blown. The question is, and this is a 2 amp, pretty sure I have 2 amp. The question is, once I put a new fuse in there, are the outputs bad, or is the new fuse, did the fuse take the hit and the outputs are still good? Fingers crossed that's the case. But it wouldn't surprise me if the outputs are toast. And I could easily test them. No, actually I can't easily test them. Yeah, I cannot easily test them. So anyway, let me see if I can find a 2 amp fuse, and let's pop it in there and see what happens. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, so I got a flash on the dim bulb, it dimmed down. That fuse looks good. Let's see what's going on with DC on this. See if we have any voltage on the outputs. Man, this camera is just in a bad spot because you can't see. You may just have to trust me on the multimeter. I'm getting, 14 millivolts and 0 millivolts. So better. Yep. Better. So let's see if we have some alignment instructions for this somewhere, and see if I can get that down to 0 per the instructions, and then we'll test it for sound and hopefully call this one good. Alright, so according to the alignment procedures, voltmeter across any of the emitter resistors set for 16 millivolts. I'm at 11 after a 3 to 5 minute settling period. Set this to 16. And it's been sitting here for 5 minutes, so set that to 16. Unclip these carefully. And then, oops. And then let's do the other side. Can you see that? No, not really. Let's do, gosh. So we're at -10, well 10. So let's see if we can get that 16. Spot on at 16. I didn't see any other alignment procedures in the service manual. I also didn't see anything for offset. So yeah, this one was a quick one. So anyway, that was the Adcom GFA 555.